Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Farmer Sahayak app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and register your account using your mobile number and other required details. After successful registration, you'll land on the main dashboard. This central hub provides quick access to all the app's primary functions, making it easy to navigate and find what you need right away. The Farmer Sahayak app offers several valuable features to support your farming. You can check real-time weather forecasts and current market prices for various crops, helping you make informed decisions. The app also provides crop-specific advisories and tools to assess soil health. Furthermore, you can connect directly with agricultural experts through the platform to receive personalized guidance and solutions for your specific farming challenges. Effectively managing your farm data is crucial, and the app makes it simple. You can easily record details about your crops, including planting dates and cultivation practices. The app also allows you to track all your farm-related expenses and income, providing a clear financial overview. This comprehensive record-keeping helps you monitor your farm's progress and performance over time, aiding in better planning and decision-making. The Farmer Sahayak app also provides robust support and a vibrant community. You can access a comprehensive help section with frequently asked questions and troubleshooting guides. Engage with other farmers in the community forum to share experiences, ask questions, and learn best practices. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. This collaborative environment fosters knowledge sharing and helps everyone succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.